Here's some tiny little pieces of solder laid out on my block in different sizes. These are fairly decent size, but this one's real small, but I don't need one that's very big for what I'm doing. So I want to melt it and stab it with my little pick and just pick it up. Oops, that's what happens when you have a new board. I'll have to hold it down. There we go. That's all I need right there. That's all I need. Here's our little jump ring and my solder and a tiny bit of flux. And let's see if I can do this. I solder into place and in and out fast. I might have my torch in the way. I can't look at the jump ring and at the camera at the same time. Well, it would have been good. Okay, let's try again. I think I got a little bit too much heat here. Got to heat both sides of this jump ring at the same time. There we go, we're done. Kind of messy, but you get the idea. Fast and quick, and the tweezers are far away from the seam of the jump ring. This is the setup for soldering the jump ring on the chain, and in the big scheme of things, this is a pretty big jump ring. It's not even little tiny. This gets a lot smaller when you're doing small things, but harder to photograph. So that's what we just did. Now these jump rings are small. I'm going to try to solder it, which is not easy considering there's a big camera between me and it. So bear with me. It's not easy to do anyway. But dip the flame in and out. There you go. You notice how the chain was sort of on this side and the flame was a little bit on this side? That's to protect this little link from being melted. So, I did it. Didn't melt anything. So, there you go. It's a teeny tiny jump ring on a small pendant that needed to be soldered closed so that it would be secure. There you go.